An oversized electric recliner chair is a large and comfortable piece of furniture equipped with an electrically powered reclining mechanism. These chairs are designed to provide extra space and comfort, accommodating individuals of varying sizes. The electric reclining feature allows users to adjust the chair's position effortlessly with a remote control or built-in control panel, eliminating the need for manual effort. The chairs often feature plush padding and come in various materials, such as leather or fabric. They may also include additional amenities like adjustable headrests, lumbar support, cup holders, USB ports, and storage compartments. Oversized electric recliners are versatile and can be used in living rooms, home theaters, or any space where comfortable seating is desired. Prices, assembly requirements, and available features may vary between different brands and models. DOORWING secures doors in a slightly open position, 1.5-inch gap, just enough to protect hands and tails from door slams, let fresh air through and keep babies, toddlers, cats and dogs out of unsafe rooms. DOORWING keeps babies and dogs out of the cat litter box and cat food. Simply widen the door opening to a perfect cat-sized gap, up to 5 inches, to allow cats through the door, while keeping kids and dogs out of the cat room. DOORWING installs and removes in seconds. Move it from one door to another or take it with you anywhere you go. DOORWING fits most doors and door frames worldwide with an easy-to-use knob mount and extension arm. Avoid accidental lock-ins by unlocking from both sides of the door. Protect hands and tails from door slams, while keeping doors unlocked. Install as high or as low as needed for your family. A smart wall space heater is a technologically advanced heating device designed for efficient temperature control in rooms. It typically features Wi-Fi connectivity and smart technology, allowing users remote access to adjust settings and monitor the heater. These heaters prioritize energy efficiency, incorporate safety features, and often have a sleek design. Installation involves wall mounting to optimize space, and user-friendly interfaces, along with compatibility with smart home ecosystems, provide modern and convenient heating solutions. AlfaBot Window Cleaner Robot will do auto cleaning. No need to take a risk to climbing dangerous ladders to clean outside, tall or hard-to-reach high building windows. Furthermore, the device can be manually operated to clean under 3 auto modes. With 2 wheels to freely traverse on the window surface or wall surface, AlfaBot Window Cleaner can wipe gently without scratch. Strong vertical suction of 5 kgs/11 lb. Adopts German vacuum motor technology. That helps the robot suck air and stand on the glass surface. The powerful suction of the motor allows the glass cleaner to be firmly held on the vertical glass surfaces. Smart window cleaning system, built-in AI technology will detect window frames and obstacles. Calculation and programming of the optimal cleaning path for maximum efficiency. No need to take a risk to climbing dangerous ladders to clean outside, tall or hard-to-reach high building windows. With 4-meter/13 feet safety rope to keep the robot window cleaner from falling down when it is out of power or lost of suction. An embedded UPS, uninterrupted power system, keeps the device running 25 minutes when AC power is disconnected, prevents the robot from falling off the window. The COMFIER 2-in-1 Shiatsu foot massager and foot rest is a product designed for providing relaxation and comfort to the feet. The COMFIER device is a 2-in-1 Shiatsu foot massager and foot rest. Utilizes Shiatsu massage technique, which involves applying pressure to specific points on the feet to promote relaxation and alleviate tension. Combines the functions of a foot massager and a footrest, providing a dual-purpose solution for relaxation and comfort. Likely equipped with massage nodes that simulate the kneading and rolling motions of a professional shiatsu massage. May include a heat function to enhance the massage experience, promoting further relaxation and soothing tired muscles. Offers adjustable settings for massage intensity, heat levels, and possibly different massage modes to cater to individual preferences. Functions as a footrest when not in massage mode, providing a comfortable surface for resting the feet. Designed to be compact and portable, allowing users to easily move and store the device as needed. Designed with user-friendly controls, making it easy for individuals to operate and customize their massage experience. Constructed with materials that are comfortable for the feet and durable for long-term use. Aimed at providing relaxation and stress relief, making it suitable for use after a long day or for individuals seeking a convenient home massage solution. A light bulb security camera is a type of surveillance device that combines the functionality of a light bulb with an integrated camera for monitoring purposes. Integrates both a light bulb and a surveillance camera into a single device, providing dual functionality. Often designed to resemble a regular light bulb, making the camera discreet and less noticeable. Captures video footage, allowing users to monitor activities in the area where the light bulb is installed. Some models enable live streaming of the camera feed, allowing users to view real-time footage remotely through a connected device such as a smartphone or computer. Typically equipped with motion detection sensors to trigger recording or alert notifications when movement is detected in the monitored area. Incorporates infrared or other night vision technologies to enable surveillance in low light or nighttime conditions. Advanced models may feature two-way communication, allowing users to listen to audio in the monitored area and communicate through a built-in speaker. Many light bulb security cameras are designed to integrate with smart home ecosystems, allowing users to control and monitor them through voice commands or dedicated apps. Offers remote access capabilities, enabling users to control and monitor the camera from anywhere with an internet connection. Supports various storage options, such as local storage through a microSD card or cloud storage services, for saving recorded footage. Generally easy to install, often replacing standard light bulbs in existing light fixtures. Typically powered through the light fixture, utilizing the existing wiring for both illumination and camera functionality. The Brilliant Smart Dimmer Switch is a home automation device designed for smart lighting control. Enables users to remotely control the brightness of connected lights through a smartphone, tablet, or smart home ecosystem. Supports dimming capabilities, allowing users to adjust the intensity of the connected lights to create desired atmospheres. Designed to be compatible with popular smart home platforms such as Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit. Often supports voice control, allowing users to adjust lighting settings using voice commands with compatible voice assistants. May feature a built-in touchscreen interface on the switch itself, providing additional manual control and configuration options. Supports the creation of lighting scenes or presets for different occasions or moods. Typically connects to the home network via Wi-Fi, enabling seamless integration with other smart home devices. Generally designed to replace traditional light switches, making it relatively easy to install for those familiar with electrical work. Offers control through a dedicated mobile app, allowing users to manage lighting settings remotely. Designed with a user-friendly interface to facilitate easy setup and use for homeowners. Some models may include energy monitoring features, allowing users to track and optimize energy consumption. Often compatible with multi-switch setups, allowing users to control multiple lights or devices from a single switch. May include security features such as scheduling or randomization to simulate occupancy when away from home. Bluevua Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filter System utilizes reverse osmosis technology, which involves the use of a semi-permeable membrane to remove impurities, contaminants, and particles from water. No plumbing or installation is required for this RO system. Simply plug this portable piece of tech into any power source and you're ready to fill it up and go. Better yet, The water container is constructed of high borosilicate glass carafe instead of the traditional plastic, reducing the risk of secondary pollution and making this one of the best countertop water filter systems. Water system automatically enters power-saving standby mode when not in use to reduce power consumption. Leftover water from a cycle isn't deemed wastewater, so more water is saved to use for various household purposes. The first of its kind, Drybo Plus is a groundbreaking invention that delivers 360-degree spa-grade drying for your pet. Featuring 20 patents, and is trusted by over 200,000 satisfied families around the world. Patented smart temperature control, with 10 safety detections per second, prevents temperature fluctuations and overheating commonly found with traditional hair and professional grooming dryers. Developed by pet professionals and medical experts with 20+ years of experience in the medical device field. Proven safe and efficient by veterinarians, groomers, and breeders. Drybo Plus collects and stores all loose pet hair. No more frustratingly drying your damp pet with a towel, covered in pet hair. Their patented fresh air ventilation system facilitates 15 air exchanges per minute at 40 dBs. That's consistent fresh air, at half the volume of a hair dryer. Dreo pedestal fan gets channeled into a focused stream of air that produces a massive 882 cfm of air volume and travels as far as 100 feet with Dreo's TurboSilent X technology. Air isn't just blown away, it covers every inch of your bedroom, office, and any other indoor spaces. This quiet oscillating fan is meticulously designed to reduce aerodynamic noise. Its brushless DC motor, paired with a custom blade design, enables it to operate at an extraordinary noise level of just 25 dB. While most fans limit your options to a couple of speeds, Dreo Polyfan 513S brings more ways to control air with 6 wind modes and up to 8 speeds, whether you want close-range cooling or blow a powerful jet of air throughout your living room. This standing fan gets you covered. Experience unparalleled air circulation with this standing fan. Kohler is a well-known brand that offers a variety of kitchen faucets with diverse features and designs. Kohler provides a wide range of kitchen faucet designs to suit different preferences and kitchen aesthetics. Faucets are often constructed with durable and high-quality materials, such as solid brass or stainless steel, ensuring longevity and resistance to corrosion. Kohler faucets come in various finishes, including chrome, stainless steel, brushed nickel, and oil-rubbed bronze, allowing homeowners to match their kitchen decor. Kohler offers both single-handle and double-handle faucet options, providing flexibility based on user preference. Many Kohler kitchen faucets feature different spray options, such as stream, spray, or pause, enhancing versatility for various kitchen tasks. Some models come with a pull-down or pull-out sprayer, providing extended reach and flexibility for washing dishes or filling pots. Kohler incorporates touchless or motion sensing technology in some faucets, allowing users to turn the water on and off with a simple wave of the hand for added convenience and hygiene. Faucets typically have ergonomic temperature control handles or levers, allowing users to adjust water temperature easily. Kohler faucets are designed for easy installation, often with detailed instructions and user-friendly features. Many Kohler faucets use ceramic disc valves, which are durable and help prevent leaks over time. Kohler offers both high-arc and low-arc spout designs, catering to different sink configurations and user preferences. Some models are designed with water-saving features, helping homeowners conserve water and reduce utility costs. Kohler often provides a lifetime limited warranty on its faucets, demonstrating confidence in the product's quality and durability.